Alright guys, today kicks off our Halloween DIYs. So we're going to go ahead and start them. I still have a couple fall DIYs I'd like to throw in there, so I'm hoping to find some time to do that, but we'll see. Keep your fingers crossed and let's get started with Halloween. Here we go guys. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and a little bit of organization, but all on a budget. Don't forget, I try and link everything I use in the description box below. If I can't find what I used, I try and link something as close as possible. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of my previous videos. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright y'all, we gotta start with these Halloween projects because Halloween's only a couple weeks away. I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to take some glitter, and this is not my favorite way to apply glitter, but this glitter is not going to be the main focus. So I am going to go ahead and move forward this way this time. I just went ahead and I put some glitter in a container and then I poured in some Mod Podge, mixed it all together, and we're going to paint this little bottle type thing. I don't like that this weird looking skull is here, and obviously I'm going to probably want to paint the entire jar, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the twine, remove the little dangly, and give it a good old coat of Mod Podge glitter. Once it dries, I did it all again. Once the Mod Podge glitter was dry, I went ahead and I got my chalkboard paint out. I also stuck these little stickers from the Dollar Tree on there, and I had it say, pick your poison. And next, I'm going to go ahead and use this sponge paintbrush. And when I put the chalk paint on the letters, I'm going to dab in that motion that I just showed. But the rest of it, it doesn't really matter. I just want to get it covered. Before the paint is dry, I like to peel off the stickers. Honestly though, some of these letters smeared because I did it directly after painting. I didn't wait any time at all. And here's what it will look like once they're all removed. If you just do the one coat of the black paint, it's going to look like it's good until you light it up, and then it shows all your flaws. So I definitely recommend 2 coats of that black paint that you put on. And honestly, this hadn't even passed through my mind until a couple days ago when I had walked by and I saw this sitting on the table. But because of that sparkle and that glitter underneath there, it kind of gives it either a metal ball and chain look, or it kind of gives it more of a bomby look. So with those lights and that wire coming out, total bomb! So here's a look at the final project. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I know this was a really fast craft without all the steps shown, but I have several more to come, all revealing Halloween crafts soon, so I hope you guys enjoy and stick around. Hit that subscription button and I can't wait to do another craft with you soon. Bye-bye!